Hey friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to import YouTube videos in CapCut. So if you have a video that you want to import into CapCut, let's say you want to edit it or you want to do whatever with your own video, then I'm going to show you how to do it. As you can see right here, I have CapCut open, but before we do anything, we need to get the video. So you want to head over to youtube.com and of course ensure that you have a YouTube account and you have a YouTube channel. You sign into YouTube. Once you sign into your YouTube account, just go ahead and click your account on the upper right hand side and you want to go into the YouTube studio. Inside the YouTube studio is the only and legal way that you can get your own videos, right? So you can go ahead and you can go to content and you can download your own YouTube videos that is inside your YouTube studio. I just want to mention one thing. If you already have videos that are published on YouTube and you want to repurpose or you want to edit your own videos, just ensure to add lots of value, proper edits to make sure the video is not the same. The last thing you want to do is to create a video on YouTube and to just do a limited work or limited edit to your own video and be flagged for repetitive content. So just ensure that you're making significant value and significant improvement to your own videos before re-uploading them on your YouTube channel or other channels. So once you're inside YouTube Studio, go ahead and hover over any video under content and you will find the option right here. You hover over here, you have three dots, it's options, you click there and you can hit download. And so you'll download that video. And as you can see, I have the video downloaded right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and open up back my CapCut and I can now click and import up here. And I will go to my downloads, select the video which I just downloaded and click and open. That video will be uploaded right here. And once it is imported into CapCut, I can now drag it onto my timeline and I can make whatever edits, whatever cuts I want to for that video, etc. Right? So you can easily go ahead and import your YouTube videos in CapCut. Very easy and very simple, guys.